GAZ TV. We're out here at Scotty at Scott's Rods. He's got a big building over there with a brand new dyno in it. As most of you would know, we've had 5 times we've earned a distributor cap on this Lotus Cortina. And what we've decided to do, I've had a chat to Scott. We've told him all our problems that we've had. So he's going to take it over and put it on the dyno, and we're going to give it a run for about 10 minutes, trying to simulate the racetrack. The other thing we won't have going for us is we won't have corners to go through. But anyway, we'll see if we've got any fuel leak and see if the distributor cap gets hot and starts to bugger up. So I'll hand you over to Scott. He's the man of the moment. He knows exactly what we're doing. He knows all about dynos.
How to fix it.
And if you need a dyno work done, he's the man.
Yeah, look, very weird issue. It's only melting one side of the cap where the clamp goes on. A bit of a mystery, but we'll get it on the dyno and we'll try and find it. So, yeah, fun morning.
Get a picture of the engine.
Yep.
Over there. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Off you go.
Here we are again, out at Scott's Rods, out at Yamato and Ipswich. We've got Scotty here and we've got Rossie's wife over there. What we've just done, we've just had the Lotus Cortina on the dyno and Scott's given it 6-8 runs. The only problem we can find is that the front Weber is spitting fuel out the ram tubes and there's fuel leaking underneath it. So we're not on the track, so we haven't got through the corner business. So we've run it up about 5 times. So the plan is to take it home, take the Webers off, strip that Weber, because we did have a problem with it initially, but they're brand new, but they are Chinese. So we'll strip it apart and see what we can find. If we think we can fix the problem, we're coming back out to see Scott, because he won't take any money at the moment. He's a good boy, he's a good boy. So I'll hand you over to Scotty, he'll tell you what we sort of found, and then we'll hand you over to his lovely wife, Roz, who does all the booking in here. Right, so if you want a custom exhaust, mate, a set of extractors, anything you want, give her a ring. She'll tell you the phone number is, so I'll hand you over to Scotty.
Yeah. So hopefully we found the issue. Bit of fuel coming out of the front of the carbies. So float level might be a little bit too high. So it's after 4 laps, it's leaking onto the distributor and igniting and wrecking the cap. So fingers crossed, that's what it is. And you guys can get out and start racing again. So, yeah.
And what's the number to, if you need?
Number to call Scott's Rods Performance Exhaust and Mechanical is 38120266.
Awesome.
Thanks, guys.
Beautiful job. They just have a scan around the shop here. See the boys over here working on that hot rod. So thank you very much for watching GAZ's TV and subscribe to GAZ's TV. Yeah.
Cool.
Have a look at the pictures here. Scotty does all our exhausts on all our cars, has done for years. Does a top job too. Really good job. If you need a set of pipes home, come and see the man.